welcome to the Koukoutsa Play TV. Let's learn some farm animals today. And the first animal you might see when you go to the farm is a dog. Listen carefully how the dog sounds. The next animal is a goat. Goat makes this sound. The next is the horse. Yes, this is the sound of the horse. Next is a cow. Moo! This is exactly how a cow sounds. And this is a goose. The next one is a chicken, and chicken makes this sound. The next one is a duck. Ducks sound like this. The next one is a rooster, and the rooster sounds like. Now let's repeat. A rooster. A duck. A chicken. A geese. A cow. A horse. A goat. And the last one is a dog. That was really fun. See you in the next video.